Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Beamer Merchant. We're doing a quick video here dealing with a customer who had issues with this car. One of the issues he had was his on his cluster, his back lights wouldn't work, and also when he turned the blinkers on, those arrows wouldn't turn green like they're supposed to. Also, his head unit, which he removed here, looks like this. It wouldn't turn on, so there was no music at all. And also to his convertible seats, when he would they wouldn't work, but now they work. And the issue with that was his general module, which is located behind the glove box right here. It looks like this. This is his old one, and that's the one we sold him. And once he installed it, no programming required, and everything started to work properly. So now everything works. So if you have those symptoms, just make sure you check your general module first before thinking it's your ignition switch. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.